You search for how to buy shares of Integra LifeSciences Holdings Corporation. Integra is a medical technology company focused on surgical instruments and regenerative solutions, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IART. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy IART, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, usually verify your account with an identity document, and you must add funds to trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker IART to locate Integra LifeSciences Holdings Corporation. Choose the listing that specifically shows NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company information and review the historical price chart for context. Confirm the page displays the NASDAQ exchange and the IART ticker before moving on. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase is confirmed. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the video description if you want to explore the platform.